Hi, dear Capricorn. A very good morning to you guys. So, this is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general of reading for all the Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. So, this is a reading from 21st of May till 31st of May, and keep in mind these are general readings. It might or might not resonate with you. Okay, so let's start. So, I'll tap into a partner's current energy, your current energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and what to expect from this person till 31st of May. So let's see. Your partner's current energy, Capricorn, right now is the Empress. I feel like your person, if you guys are married, so this person could be pregnant as well, or right now they are going through a very fertile period of their life. This is first thing. The second thing, I feel like the Empress card is there. So this person is like looking quite good. They are working on themselves and they are making themselves happy. Self care, self love, whatever it is. This person is just working on themselves right now. Might be their business, might be their work, so I feel like your person right now is caring for themselves and looking good, having fun, yeah, wearing some kind of luxurious clothes. I know this is COVID situation, but I feel like this person might be, related to some kind of media field or salon or some kind of, beauty related thing. So I feel like this person is working on themselves, their beauty, their life, their happiness. This is what their state of mind right now is, or they might just get successful in something that they were doing from a very long time. Let's clarify the Empress as a current energy. King of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. Yes, I feel like your person is busy making money. Yeah, now I'm seeing this. So I feel like your person, the Empress, the energy is like this person is making their mind. This person is very clear about they should have an equal give and take in any kind of relationship, and they want to make money. As of now, they are working for their money, their own business, their own happiness. So this is Eight of Pentacles. Can you see Eight of Pentacles? Yeah. So I feel like this person is gaining the clarity of what they want in their life. And right now their mind is telling them that they should work on their finances. They should work on their themselves, okay, and they should work on their business, their love life, their own self-love thing right now. This is the thing. Right now, let's see what your current energy is, Capricorn. Your current energy right now is Capricorn. Eight of Swords. You are feeling like you are bounded by something. This is Eight of Swords. You are feeling like there's some kind of blindfold on your eyes, and you're not able to see anything clearly regarding this particular connection, and you are feeling like you are in some kind of jail. Okay, some of you might be in a literal jail as well. It could also possible. It is just for 1% people, but I feel like you are feeling like you are in some kind of emotion mental jail, and you are not, no matter how much you are trying, you are not able to come out of this situation. Okay, you are restricting yourself. See, you are bounding yourself. You can easily come out of this fearful situation, this situation of resentment or pain or hurt, whatever it is that you are going through. You can easily come out of this situation, Capricorn. This is right now what you are feeling. Let's clarify why you are feeling like this. Eight of Swords energy. The Queen of Cups, the Sun, and the Page of Pentacles. I feel like you want a happily ever after connection with somebody. You feel like this person makes you happy, and whenever they are around, they make you really happy. So I feel like you have emotions for this particular person, and you feel like this person is your happiness, and you want to propose to them, or you want to have a proposal from their side. It could also mean that you want this person to propose to you, or to offer you something solid or committed in this connection. And that is why right now you are feeling like you are in some kind of jail, because these feelings are not letting you sleep. Might be these feelings are making you restless, and at some point I can see you might also cry. Capricorns generally don't cry. They are earth sign, fixed signs, and very difficult to crack, but sometimes it is necessary to might be cry. So this is all about your mental games. The mind is playing games with you, Capricorn, and these feelings that you want from this particular person, let's see what this person feels for you. But you want this person to commit to you, or at least give some kind of token of love or token of friendship or something like that. Or it could also mean that you want to give this person this all this. This is the your current energy. Let's see what your person feels for you, Capricorn. What this person feels for you, let's see. The High Priestess. So this person feels like you are very, very silent with them. You are not revealing your true feelings to them. This is the High Priestess. So it could also mean that they see you as some kind of spiritual figure, some kind of spiritual person, and you are working on your spiritual side. They can feel like you are a spiritual person and you don't reveal much at a time, and or might be you are an introvert, you don't talk much at a time. They feel like you are somewhat conservative and introvert, and they feel like you don't reveal your true feelings to them. This is what their feeling right now is. Okay. Or right now they might feel like they should be silent. Right now they are feeling like they should not talk to you much about this particular connection or much about this particular situation. This is what they are feeling right now. Let's clarify the High Priestess. This Nine of Cups, the Hierophant, and the Queen of Wands. Okay, so I feel like although this person feels like you are their wish fulfillment, you are a marriage material, and you are very very passionate about, they are very very passionate about you. So this person inside of their head, inside of their mind and soul, this person sees you as their wish fulfillment, and they feel like you are a marriage material, and they feel very very passionate about you. Okay, this is what they feel about you, but they are concealing their feelings, they are concealing their emotions, they are not letting you know about all this situation, all these feelings that they are feeling right now. Capricorn, you could be dealing with a Taurus as well, I can see that. Okay, so it is like right now they are concealing their feelings, like right now they are feeling like I should be silent as of now, because might be they are not feeling this is the right time. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you, Capricorn. What this particular person wants from you. Six of Cups. Nostalgic, missing you. They want this connection to be the same again as it used to be in the past. So I feel like you guys had a history together. Might be 2 months history, might be 3 months history, or might be 10 years history. I don't know. But you guys had a history together, okay? Sweet memories together, sweet nothings together, okay? Love feelings together. So this connection was very, very beautiful in the start of in the beginning of this connection. So this person wants you to be the same again as you used to be in this connection when you guys first met, might be, or you guys first connected. Okay, this is what they want from you. They want you to be the same again, or this connection to be the same again. Don't jump out, yeah. So let's clarify the Six of Cups as what they want from you. The Hanged Man, the Hermit, and the Devil. Yes, I feel like this person wants you to take some break from this particular connection, take some break from the situations that you guys are going through, and look into yourself, trust yourself, and come out of this possessive energy or toxic energy, or there was something that you are tied down to, Capricorn. Might be you are obsessed with this particular person, or might be this person was obsessed with you. The roles could be reversed. So I feel like this person wants you to see things in a new light, to see things according to their point of view as well. Okay, and they want you to go inside of you and talk to yourself, and listen to your intuition, listen to your heart, what your heart is saying, and to come out of this obsessive state of mind, is this might be possessive state of mind, this toxic energy. Right now might be you guys are going through some kind of fight or conflict or something, like one person, I can see that one person is very very possessive about the other person. So the other person is feeling like they are being possessed by you. Okay, not in that black magic kind of possession. So but they are feeling like they can feel the obsessive behavior, they can feel the obsession growing. So they want to come out of this obsessive behavior, they want this connection to be light-hearted and happy. They don't want any kind of negativity or toxicity in this connection. This is what they want from you. Okay, what to expect from this person till 31st of May? What to expect from this person till 31st of May, Capricorn? Five of Swords. So I feel like Capricorn, this person is coming towards you, but they are having some kind of ego battles with you. Some kind of ego battles is going on in this connection. So this ego battle will still continue. So they will come towards you, but they will feel like they should win. Okay, you will feel like you should win. This is some kind of conflict, or this is some kind of, uh, war going on between you guys, and both the parties are not willing to, come to a compromising situation or compromise. But I feel like both the parties are fighting for something. So I feel like this person is coming towards you, and they feel like they should win because this is the ego battle. You hurted their ego in some way. This is what is happening. Let's clarify the Five of Swords, of behind the scenes of what is happening. The Emperor, the Seven of Wands, and the Ace of Swords. So basically, they have made their mind that they will stand their ground no matter what. They will act rudely, they will act adamantly. You could be dealing with the Aries, and after this, standing their own ground, after fighting with you, after having this all this bullshit kind of things with you, like this war, this mental war is going on between you guys. So whatever the situation is, they are not going to be, compromise in the situation. They are going to talk to you the way they used to, like after this war, after this conflict, and after this all this shit will happen. Then there is a chance to have a brand new beginning in this connection. Then there will be some kind of, releasing the toxicity and starting all over again. But I feel like this is not going to be start as an emotional start on emotional level. It is going to be more of a mental level start. So might be you guys will come to a point where you will feel like, okay, let's check it, and let's start all over again, but not as lovers, might be just as normal friends. This is what I am getting. Let's pull one card for you guys for the love oracle, from the love oracle deck. Let's see what is coming for you, Capricorn. Cassette, outdated thinking, conditioning, replaying events over in your head. Yeah, cassette. So this is what will happen to you till 31st of May. So you have to release this outdated thinking. Okay. So you can see, Capricorn. I can see that you guys also have a big ego. So whenever you're adamant, you are adamant. Nobody is going, because you're a fixed sign. So fixed sign, whenever they made their mind about something, they are not going to change it for anyone, anybody. So I feel like you should be a little flexible, and if you want this connection back in your life, if you want to have a brand new beginning in this connection, you should be a little flexible. Okay, regarding this particular person. So thank you so much for tuning in. This is Anjali Taro. Namaste. Thank you.